Hello class 8, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine in your home. So students, in September month there will be your periodic test 1. Hope you will start preparing for the periodic test 1. Okay students, in the live classes we will discuss about the chapters what we will come in the exam. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in that chapter 1 2 3, whichever coming in your exam, ask to me. Okay, now in this class we have already completed chapter number 9 up to reproduction in animals. Reproduction in animal chapter is very important because from class 8 to class 12 you are going to learn about the reproduction topics in details. Okay, one by one, whether you are teaching your classes, you will discuss this chapter in detail, students. So please listen the video carefully of the chapter which I was given you, and learn the topics carefully. If you have any doubt, then ask to me in the live classes when we will start the chapter revision of that chapter. Okay, now first we will discuss about first 3 chapters whichever coming in the exam. Now we are going to start today's class, and the chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. You the people will reach the age of adolescence. Okay, the age between started from 12. This age is called as age of adolescence. Okay, reaching the age of adolescence, you the people were started the reaching of age of adolescence, and you must be seen so much maturity, body changes, voice change, several types of changes were occurring in your body. Okay, there will be no shame beta about talking about it. So please students, I am telling you again, whatever the questions you have in your mind related to the chapters, ask to me. The adolescence is also called as a teenager. Up to 13 to 19 years of age, the age is called as adolescence. From 2 to 11 we call as childhood. From 13, 12 to 19, this age is called as adolescence and teenage also. Now adolescence, the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to the maturity, is called as adolescence. Several types of maturity you have seen in your body. Okay, and your mind will also goes through several types of things, which the age is called as adolescence. Growing up for a natural process. Growing up is a natural process, and the body grows from we take birth to till our life causes death. हम पैदा होने से मरने तक हम लोग ये चेंजेस देखते हैं. ओके, वी विल सी दिस टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस एंड वी ग्रोइंग अप. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज maturity, you can say, or it is a life process, natural process which goes on, and the stages are infancy, birth, childhood, the age between 11 to the age between 2 to 11, and adolescence, the age between 12 to 19, and the adulthood ever bit. Okay, so when the maturity from birth to about 2 years of age is called infancy. जब हम पैदा होते हैं 2 साल तक, that stage is called as infancy. After that, from 2 to 11 years of age, it is called as childhood, and adolescence is reaching about 11 to 19 years of age. In this phase of adolescence, you have seen the transitional period of physical and mental development. You have seen several type of physical and mental development in your body. Okay, and adulthood, in other words, the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity, is called as adolescence. In this age, your body can leading the reproductive maturity. Okay, menstrual cycle in girls is started from after the age of 12 to 13. This is a reproductive phase. The male body start producing sperms. So these type of reproductive changes you have observed in your body. Okay, so this is called as, the person undergoing the age of adolescence is called as adolescent. Okay, hope you will all understand. And the age is also called as teenagers. Okay, adolescence is also called as a teenagers. Now puberty, the age at which the sex hormones and the sex gametes begin to produce and a boy or a girl became sexually mature to reproduce is called puberty. Puberty is the age which is called in which the boys and girls starts to produce their sex hormones. Sex gametes जो होते हैं ना, मेल और फीमेल sperm and ovum will be started to produced, and the boys and the girls are sexually mature. This to reproduce, the age is called as puberty. Okay, this age is generally puberty attained. The boys attain in 13 to 14 years, and the girls they at lower stage 10 to 12 years. Okay, boys starting their puberty stage as 13 to 14 years, and the girls 10 to 12 years. This is the age when a girl and a boy become sexually mature to reproduce. And in case of a male child, testes start producing male gamete, which is called as sperms, and the sex hormone is testosterone. And in a female, the gamete is ova or eggs, and the sex hormones is estrogen and progesterone. As we will discuss this sex hormones and sex gametes in chapter number 9. Okay, so what is the rapid changes you have seen in the age of adolescence and puberty? These are the changes. Here you can see the pictures, see the slide. Increase in height, first one. Change in body shape, change in voice, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Okay, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. These are the 6 type of changes you have seen in your body. Okay, at the age of puberty. What are they? Increase in height, second, change in body shape, third, voice change, fourth, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland, fifth, development of sex hormone, and sixth one, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. These are the 6 changes you will observe in the age of puberty or adolescence. Okay students, so one by one we will start this one in detail. Increase in height. So during puberty there is sudden increase in height of boys and girls. The increase in height is due to the increase in the length of their bones and arms. Okay, this is happen in the puberty age, increase in height during the puberty, along with the internal body organs. When the body will start increasing, all the internal body organs, the bones will start increasing. Obvious, it is as obvious. So increase in height, you will see it is a type of change you will observe in the age of puberty and adolescence. So average rate of growth is here. कैसे होता है एवरेज रेट? देखो, हर साल जो पूरी यहाँ पे ईयर्स दिए हुए हैं 8, 9, 10 to 18 ईयर्स, द एवरेज हाइट कैसे होती है? बॉयज़ की 72%, गर्ल की 77%. ओके, दिस इज द एवरेज percentage of full height, average rate. In your book it is also given. Now calculation, how you will calculate this height? First, present height. What is your present height? And the percent of full height at this stage. और जो percent है, जैसे कि मान लो तुम्हारी एज अभी 14 ईयर्स है, तो परसेंट बॉयज़ की नहीं 92% है, और तुम्हारी हाइट अभी कितनी, उसको रखो, दोनों को एड इंटू 100. एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर. इफ अ बॉय इज 9 years old and 120 centimeter tall. In centimeter, we will not in inches, we will see this height in 120 centimeter, and he is 9 years old. At the end of the growth period, he is likely to be 120 75 into 100 सेंटीमीटर. अब वो लास्ट अपना ग्रोथ पीरियड 18 में वो कितना रहेगा, वो उसकी हाइट यहाँ पे निकल जाएगी. सिर्फ उसकी हाइट कितनी बढ़ेगी, 40 सेंटीमीटर और बढ़ जाएगी. सो दिस इज द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ फॉर फुल हाइट. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इट. अभी कैलकुलेट कर लो. सो एट द एज ऑफ 18 तुम्हारी हाइट कितनी होगी तुमको पता चल जाएगा. ओके now here is the activities given. By the age of 11, a boy has reached 81% of his height, while a girl has reached 88% of her full height. Draw a graph. So here is the boy and a girl. The graph is given in the age of 18. The graph, the boy is 81% and the girl is 88%. The graph ऐसे करके बना सकते हैं. Now, so the height of an individual depends upon the following factors. Though factors in your book there are 2 factors is given. The height will be depend. Inheritance, The height depends on the genes inherited from the parents. Inheritance means जो भी genes होते हैं, the DNA genes were transferred from our parents. The height depends upon that also. Whether your parents were tall, then the height of the child will be tall, whether it is girl or boy. And the parents are short, so their height will be short. So it also depends upon the height of the parents. We have learned in chapter 8 the genes control transfer of hereditary characters from parents to the offspring. We have already discussed it. Okay, that transfer of genes from parents to the offsprings. Transfer क्या होता है? जो genes और DNA होते हैं, they will be transferred from parents to their offspring. So the height of the genes will also transfer. If your father is tall, you may also be tall. Okay. And nutrition, खाना पीना भी बहुत depend करता है बेटा. Nutrition is also responsible for. Food rich in protein and vitamins helps the bone, muscles and other parts of the body to get adequate nourishment for the growth. If you eat healthy diet, healthy amount of food rich in protein and vitamins, definitely your bones and the muscles will also grow and your height will be also growth. So inheritance and nutrition also shows the characteristics also play the important role in the change of your height, development, increasement of your height. Now change in body shape. So several types of body changes you will observe in your body parts. Okay, there should be no shame to talk about it. This is a natural process in every human beings. These changes will happen. Okay students, so in boys the shoulder became broader and chest becomes wider. The muscles of the body grow prominently. So these type of changes you will see in the boys. And the girls, the region below the waist becomes wider and the muscles of the body do not grow prominently. Okay, the pelvic regions becomes wider and the development of breast also begins during this period in girls. Okay, so these type of body changes you will observe in the male and female, boys and girls. Now change in voice. Change in voice is also a major change in the body, human body. Okay, so let's start change in voice. At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. In boys, this Adam's apple, it is called as Adam's apples. When you reach the age of adolescence, these Adam's apples or voice box larynx will begins to grow. Boys developed larger voice box. Boys have a deep and hoarse voice. The larynx is visible clearly. This larynx is visible clearly. This is called as Adam's apple. इस एज पे तुम्हारी आवाज़ जो होगी, बचपन में जैसे तुम्हारी आवाज़ थी हल्की सी, धीमी सी, प्यारी सी, पतली सी, वो थोड़ी भारी हो जाती है. Because you were reaching the age of adolescence, at that stage these types of changes will arises in your body. Okay students. And in girls the larynx is hardly visible from the outside. In girls this larynx were not visible. Girls have a high pitched voice and the girls have so much high pitched, बहुत ज़्यादा पतली हो जाती है, pitch उनकी जो होती है बहुत ज़्यादा high हो जाती है. These type of changes in voice you will observe at the age of puberty. Okay, in boys and girls. Adam's apple. See the picture. The growing box can be seen as a producing part of the throat called Adam's apple. In your book also the Adam's apple is given. In the picture you can see how this Adam's apple look like. Okay. Now increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. So this type of activity you will also see in the age of puberty. During puberty, due to the increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, the secretion of sweat and oil increases. Due to this, adolescents get acne, skin diseases and pimples on the face. So the secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous gland oil gland increases. So you people will observe the skin diseases, जिसको acne बोलते हैं, and pimples in your face, in your skin. Okay, due to this sweat and this sebaceous gland, oil gland, this sebaceous gland releases oils from your skin, and these oils led to pimple and acne in your face. These type of things you will see in the age of puberty. Increased secretion of sweat is the armpits may result in a characteristics order of the body, and you will see in this age you will observe sweat glands. Sweat निकलता है इस age में. Okay, so this is the one more characteristics of change in puberty. Okay, puberty and adolescence. जब हम इस एज पे पहुंचते हैं तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमको दिखती हैं. Sweat glands, acne, pimples in the face. Okay, in the skin. So glands are there, sweat and sebaceous gland. These glands release their secretion through ducts. Endocrine glands, these glands release hormones directly to the bloodstream, so they are also termed as ductless glands. Endocrine glands is also called as a ductless glands because they do not have any duct. कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर रीजन नहीं है वहाँ से ये सिक्रीट होता है, ये डायरेक्टली ब्लड स्ट्रीम से निकलता है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स इज कॉल्ड एज डक्टलेट्स ग्लैंड्स. नाउ development of sex hormones, sex organs, sorry, development of sex organ. What is the sex organ? Male and female. Female sex organ testes, and the male gamete is sperm, and male gamete is testes, and the gamete is sperm, and female gamete is ovaries and ovules, ovary, and the male gamete is eggs or ovum. Okay, so in this stage the boy's testes and penis developed completely. The testes also begin to produce sperms, male gamete, sperms, and girls the ovaries are enlarged and eggs begin to mature. Also ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Because this development of sex organ we have completed in chapter number 9 in detail. So in this age the male and female, boy and girl, start developing. Their development of sex organ will be completed. Okay, now reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Mental maturity, intellectual maturity and emotional maturity, these three maturity you will reach in this stage. Okay, you are able to understand whether it is correct, whether it is right or wrong. Difference between right and wrong in this period you will able to understand. कोई बच्चा नहीं रह जाता इस period में, because you will now grown up childs, you people will able to understand whether it is right or wrong. हम जो कर रहे हैं वो सही है या गलत, इसी को हम mental maturity बोलते हैं. Okay, in Hindi, it is the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity of learn. You have the greatest capacity in this period, you can learn. Okay, don't waste your time in doing rubbish things. You the people were reaching the phase where you can learn anything. So उस चीज़ का गलत इस्तेमाल मत करना. Okay बेटा, I know नहीं करते हो, you people are good student, but from my side I am explaining you this time you are able to learn good things. अपने chapters को अच्छे से पढ़ो, अपने सिलेबस को अच्छे से कंप्लीट करो, rather than take the GK जनरल नॉलेज थिंग्स, नेशनल ज्योग्राफी वगैरह देखा करो. अननेसेसरली रबिश थिंग्स में अपनी चीज़ों को, अपने दिमाग को मत खपाओ. ठीक है, मत वहाँ पे खटाओ उन चीज़ों को. टेक नाइस थिंग्स, नॉवेल्स पढ़ो, बुक्स पढ़ो अच्छी अच्छी, वेदर यू गेट द नॉलेज ऑफ एवरीथिंग. ओके, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन डूइंग सच रबिश थिंग्स. And intellectual maturity, the change in a person ways of thinking, your way of thinking just different from your parents. So this is the age beta, the age will matter. ठीक है, वो अलग अलग हो सकता है. मैच्योरिटी कभी कभी हम लोग का जो थिंकिंग होता है वो मैच नहीं करता है, बट दिस टाइम यू विल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग. ठीक है, मैच्योरिटी में हो, समझ में आता है क्या सही है गलत है. हाँ, सोचने का तरीका थोड़ा अलग हो जाता है और थोड़ा इनोवेटिव होता है. नाउअडेज यू पीपल आर सो इनोवेटिव, यू कैन थिंक सो मच इनोवेटिव. ओके, द पर्सन फील्स मोर इंडिपेंडेंट देन बिफोर एंड ऑल्सो बिकम सेल्फ कॉन्शियस. सेम थिंग, यू विल बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट, सारी चीज़ें अपने से कर सकते हो. अभी भी मम्मा आपको नहीं नहलाती होंगी, आपको ड्रेसअप नहीं करती होंगी. यू पीपल नाउ मैच्योर इनफ टू डू ऑल योर थिंग्स एंड यू पीपल बिकम सेल्फ कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. ओके, इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी सबसे ज़्यादा आजकल का पैथेटिक ड्रामा. इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी, कुछ भी होता है थोड़ा सा रोना शुरू हो जाता है. दिस इज़ द इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी. यू पीपल वेयर नाउ ग्रोन अप, तो थोड़ी सी चीज़ों में रोना आ जाता होगा. कोई डांट देता है, कोई गुस्से में देख देता है, तो So a person may feel insecure while trying to do adjust to the change in the body and mind. And one more thing also, when you people were see the changes in your body and in your mind, you people were not getting adjusted. उसको adjust भी नहीं कर पाते. कई लोग उस emotional को hide नहीं कर पाते, वो खुल के बोल देते हैं. Because menstrual cycle, increase in breast, increase in the pitch of voice, in several types of changes taking place in your body. Okay, so this maturity, mental maturity, emotional maturity will be there. So you people have to accept it. ये होता है सबके साथ. In every living beings, this maturity, these changes will happen. So you people will adjust it. Don't be insecure of that, don't be worry of that. These things will happen. You have to emotionally एक्सेप्ट इट. इमोशनल मेच्योरिटी दिखाओ, सबको एक्सेप्ट करो और अपनी चीज़ों को गलत इस्तेमाल मत करो. सिंपल, दिस इज़ द एज बेटा जहाँ पे आप बन सकते हो और बिगड़ सकते हो. सो बिगड़ना नहीं है हमको बनना है. वी हैव टू डू समथिंग बेटर फॉर अवर पेरेंट्स एंड फॉर अवर फ्यूचर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दीज आर द चेंजेस वी ऑब्जर्व इन द एज ऑफ puberty. Okay, these are the several types of changes we have observed in the puberty. Okay students, so from the secondary sexual character we will discuss this one in the next class. Okay, we will discuss in the next class, and in the last of the chapter we will discuss the internal question answer. Okay, internal question answer. Hope you will all understand what I am saying. बी फ्री बेटा, फ्रैंक होके जो पूछना है पूछा करो, क्योंकि ये जो चैप्टर है, ये 2 चैप्टर रिप्रोडक्शन और ये रीचिंग एडोलेंस टिल 12 यू विल लर्न अबाउट दिस इन डिटेल. सो डोंट शाई, शर्माओ मत बिल्कुल. डोंट शाई टू बी दिस. वॉट एवर प्रॉब्लम यू हैव देन यू कैन आस्क मी. अननेसेसरी क्वेश्चन नहीं करना बिल्कुल भी. जो रियल में प्रॉब्लम है वो पूछना. सो चेंजेस एट प्यूबर्टी, वॉट टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस वी विल ऑब्जर्व. फर्स्ट वन इज इंक्रीज इन हाइट. Second, change in body shape. Third, voice change. Fourth, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Fifth, development of sex organ. And sixth, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Okay students, so these type of changes you will observe in the boys and girls at the change of puberty. Again I am telling you, don't be shy students. Whatever problem you have related to the chapter, openly ask to me. Unnecessarily कोई question नहीं करना. The actual problem you can ask, and we will discuss the internal question in the last of the chapter. In the next class we will discuss the secondary sexual characters. Okay, till then take care of yourself. After completion of the video, learn the chapter, read the chapter carefully and prepare yourself for the exam. Chapter 1, 2 and 3. In the video class, live class, we will discuss these 3 chapters one by one. Sorry, one chapter. First chapter we will discuss this. Okay students, please students go for it and prepare yourself for the exam. Thank you so much. Till then take care of yourself. See you in the next class.